Do you want to close more sales? Do you want to be the best salesperson on your sales team? Are you a beginner to sales? Are you an advanced salesperson? It doesn't matter, because what I want to do is I want to be able to give you the tools you need so you can make more money. Hello, my name is Claude Massey with Sales Development Israel, and I want to get right into a video for salespeople about how to ask hard questions. So let me tell you the value of asking hard questions. Asking hard questions is going to come right into your sales situation, and it's going to build the pressure a little bit. It's going to build an atmosphere of decision making, and being able to make those decisions is what your sales call is all about, right? When you're able to ask your clients or your prospects hard questions, you're actually going straight to the point with these types of questions. When you're not beating around the bush, when you're being direct and straightforward, there is a benefit to that. The benefit of being straightforward is it develops an atmosphere as well of honesty, directness, and a real good communication basis to work with is those two elements. Wouldn't you agree? So let's get into the 4 different questions that I want to show you guys and share with you guys so that you can begin to ask hard questions. The first question we're going to ask is, and we're going to write these down if that's okay with you guys. The first question is going to be, what do we have to do? What do we have to do? What do we have to do in order to take this relationship forward? What do we have to do in order to build this relationship? What do we have to do in order to make this deal happen for you and your company? What do we as a company have to do to earn the business, to earn the relationship, to earn the connection with your company? And lay that out there, and you're going to be surprised about the answers. You're going to get an answer, which is a list of descriptions you can or cannot fulfill, or on the other side, you're going to get a nothing you can do scenario. And if that's the case, that's okay. Move forward. So the next question and the next example is going to be an example of getting right to the person, not necessarily speaking as a company, but speaking directly from person to person, salesperson to decision maker. And that question is going to be straight up like this. Why would you? Why would you? Why would you decide to choose this product? Why would you decide to make this decision today? Why would you decide to choose this provider? Why would you decide to choose to work with us? Why would you decide to choose to work with our competitor? Why would you is a great way to just understand what they're thinking about the decisions that they're making. And so that's the second question I wanted to share with you guys. It's a great way to ask powerful questions to get right to the point. Let's move forward to the third question. So the third question is very close to the second one. It's very obvious. The apple does not fall far from the tree, as they say. And the question is, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you be able to make a decision today? Why wouldn't you be able to put me in touch with the person who's responsible for making the decision? Why wouldn't you be willing to take a step forward with us and sit down and at least hear what we have to say? So let's get right into the fourth question that I want to help you guys with today. The question is going to be, you don't think. You don't think. It's very similar to the third one, and that means for everyone out there who's going to give these a try, you don't think it would be a good idea to? You don't think it would be a good idea to sit down? You don't think it would be a good idea to make a decision today? You don't think that it's worth your time to talk to your partners and decide as a group collectively if perhaps this product and or service might be a fit for you and your company, you don't think it would be a good idea to go down below right now and hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel? That's just another example of these 4 great sentences that you guys can use as salespeople in order to help yourself benefit, in order to help your companies benefit. And that's how the world goes around. My name's Claude Massey with Sales Development Israel, and you have a great afternoon. Thank you so much for watching the video, everybody. I'm super excited. I want to share some great news with you. I just finished writing a book with a partner of mine, Laura, and it's called Sell, I Dare You. We want to give you a completely free copy of the book. It's about how to increase your sales, of course. All you have to do is go over to the website. You'll be able to also get over there your completely free access into the sales archives, where we have plenty of PDFs for everybody to increase their sales skills. So thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.